As for the next, I will show you how can we use the team test and the exit. As for the team test, let's say you're creating a world or server with your friends on Roblox. So, in order for you to set up it, first you need to go here, add manage collaborator. As you can see, I am the owner, Osaka, and I have friends who are also working on the server, and we also have a client or which our client or which our player we call rate the world and tell us how how does it feel playing the server, how does it feel playing the world. We call them beta tester, where they check or test the game that we created in the server. Where I have some other friends that can also edit, can also add some structure, add some things that they want add in the server. So that's pretty much you can just add their name, you can search for the name as long as you friend them. That's same. I want to make my other account as a editor. This is my other account. As you can see, this is my other account, which is already friend. I can add it and I can choose it to either be a beta tester or I can choose it as a editor that can edit the game. Let's just say where you can only be a beta tester and you can only play the game or the server. You can only play in the server and save. So that's how you can. So let's say you have different people with your friends working on the server. So the other lesson I teach the test area where when you click play, where you the editor can only play in the server, right? So when you click gameplay, all of the play and all of the editors that are creating the structure that we want, or the other editors are inside the Roblox studio or inside the server that are working on. You can just click play, and as of right now I don't have any friends online that are working on the server. That's why when I click play, it doesn't show up because I am the only one as of right now playing in the game. As you can see, it show up the exit game. So as the name, when you click exit game, it will show you the exit game. As you can see, you can join. Once again, since I'm the only one playing and editing on the server, I am the only one team test, because there are no other people working on the server. But when somebody working on the server, you can always see their icon or profile in Roblox that they are also online and doing something or adding something on the server. So that's pretty much how is it when you are working on the team test, and just need to remember the people that you add who are the managed collaborators. That's all.